Hi, this is a walkthrough of the GSA Search Engine Ranker builder. From the main page, you can log into your builder or register by going to there. You can sign in with, you can create an account if you don't have one. You'll be asked to verify the email address, so you can sign in with Google account. I have an account already, so I'll just sign in. Once you sign in, you will be on the project dashboard area. The project dashboard will show you all your existing projects that you have or project that you've created. So this is the summary of all your project history. I have created 5 projects, and this is the history. You can sort it by pending, what is processing, what is completed, and any project that failed. If a project has failed, automatically it will kick in a refund for the project. The other tabs are, this is the dashboard where we are now. Then you can create a new project. We'll come back to that. Here you have your wallet or balance. If you click on that, you will see your current balance that you have available, and you have an option to add funds. Add funds will go via Stripe. The more you add, the more bonus you get. So if you add, you can also not have funds, but just pay per order, starting from $9.95 for one tier project. So if you add funds, the more you add, so if you add $50, you'll get $5 bonus. Add $100, you get 15% bonus. Add $500, you get $100 bonus. So the more you add, the more you will get. Here's a balance history showing your expenditures, and when money, what it was for. So this was for project. Here I added the credit for this via admin, and it will just give you a running summary of your expenses. So to create a project, we'll go to new project. In the new project, this will be the screen. You have a single project or bulk import. The bulk import on the moment is not active yet. We will have it active in the next day or coming days. So basically, you just give it you can see the compulsory items is the project name, the language, your website URL, and the keywords. As you have to select how many tiers you want. On the moment, we have a 1-tier, 2-tier, and a 3-tier option that you can select from. Project name is just the basic, your name of your project. Language, we support most languages, popular languages in any way. If your language is not supported here or doesn't show your language, then just contact me and I'll look at adding it for you. Okay, the website URL. This is your main site, your money site, the site that you want to promote. Now, I know a lot of people will say, well, I want to promote more than one link. So further down, we have additional URLs. But this main URL is, we need that so we can really get a good idea of what it is you promote. We can get your social links, we can get images, etc. So that's why we ask the main URL separate. Your keywords, so this is the, not what you want, don't put in here generic. So this is your keyword that you want to rank for, like crypto mining or crypto mining machine or how to wash a dog or finance schemes, etc. So you provide your 3 up. You can provide as many as you want. Say 3 is enough. That's all we need. Don't go and type in here 1,000 keywords. We just need maybe 1 to 10 keywords. That is more than enough. The rest we will find the anchor text variations for your keywords and add those in automatically. Here you select the tier. Next you select the quality. We have two qualities. The standard one is fine for everyone almost. For GSA Search Engine Ranker, standard quality 100% okay. We use ChatGPT 4.0, and then we have some redundancy in case you have some adult niches. Then we have a redundancy model that we use via OpenRouter. But for most people, the standard is the best, and it's also the cheapest. So this is a 3-tier. If I switch it to a 1-tier, the standard is $9.95 for 1-tier project. Where if a premium would be 19. You see, it's a big difference, because that is, for a premium we use Claude Sonnet. Actually now it's 4.8, not 4.6 anymore. Next, so up to here is the compulsory. Article quality, I'll just leave it on standard. Here you fill in your YouTube video URLs. Do not paste in a YouTube channel. This is for your YouTube videos. So we will embed the videos. We will also add it in the GSA in the data fields where it asks for video ID and video title, etc. We will pull in the data from your video URL. We'll pull in via API key and get a title, the description, etc. and pull that in GSA. Image URLs. Here you can paste in the image URLs. Don't put in a website URL. The image URL look like the JPEG or PNG or WebP. One per line. If you don't have any images, no problem, you can leave it blank. We will scrape some images for you. But if you have a couple, it will help. Even just if you paste your logo or something in the image URLs. The next one is HTML banners. Maybe you want to embed an iframe like a Google Map or driving direction, or you have an HTML banners. These banners will be placed in the lower half of the article. Social profiles, we will automatically scrape those, but if you can provide them, you can fill in these, because these are the ones that GSA Search Engine Ranker asks for. There's fields in GSA Search Engine Ranker, so if you provide, we'll fill it in. If you don't provide, we will check your main website, and if we can find the URLs, we will automatically then fill it in here. Next, once you've filled in everything, this is not grayed out because I haven't filled in anything. Then you will be able to submit here, and it will ask you, you want to pay with your balance, or you want to use your balance to pay for this order, or you want to pay with card. If you click pay with card, it will take you to Stripe, and you can then just pay this $9.95. So it's a lot more convenient just to keep a balance. So once you submit the order, I'll just go back to the dashboard. It will show the status as processing. It could take anywhere from 15 to 2 hours to process the article. Depends how many tiers you have selected, because a 1-tier project is 50 articles that we write. Each article is going to be at least plus minus 1,000 words, and the premium engine might be even bigger. If you select Claude Sonnet, it might be even larger, up to 2,000 word articles. So if you go in, it will show processing, and then if you click the drop down here, you can see then what it will pull. So it automatically determines the brand. It automatically created a target audience, which it will then use for writing the articles. The target audience will be based on your keywords and your link. This is the anchor text. See, I provided only 3 keywords, and then it was able to give me all the anchor text variations and what percentage it will use. So your main keywords, it'll use 10%, partial match 10%, secondary 10%, branding, 10% domain, generic, all of these. Here it falls in the social profiles. Here you can see the articles, the 50 articles that created. So if let's go to this one, preview. So you can see in the preview it will just show the anchor text like this, but in GSA Search Engine Ranker that will automatically be replaced with your actual anchor text in GSA Search Engine Ranker when it imports. So it's folding the images, the H2s. So everything is folded in and completed yeah. Once it's ready, you will see the download link is here. You will also be receiving an email when it's ready, and the email will look like, let me just find this. The email will look like this. So you'll receive an email. It will tell you which project, how many tiers that you selected for the project, how many articles, and then you'll have a download link that you just click on download. It will ask you where to save it. I've already saved it. Let's save it in downloads. And then in your GSA, just go to modify, restore backup, and downloads, high-end repairs. I think this was just the one tier. So there's the project. It will look exactly like this when it imports it. If we open this, give it a second. So we have pre-selected the fields for your tier 1. The OLS was fold. Keywords is fold in. The anchor text variations is added. The social links is fold in. And everything else, all the folders and everything has been set up for you. So there's nothing you need to do. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Articles, it added the articles. Let's just go random one preview. So there's the article it added. And it added the email accounts. So you got 50 email accounts that is added for you. And that's your project. So all you have to do is click start and let it run. This is the 1-tier project. The 3-tier project will be just a little bit bigger. Obviously 3 tiers if you have a 3-tier project. I don't think I have a restore backup. I think this was 1 tier also. There's a 3-tier project that was created. The 3-tier project will look like this. If I go to the 3rd tier, it's a lot more selected on the 3rd tier. All the anchor text variations. It will pull the links from the verified tier above, from tier 2. All the options has been set. All folders has been set. 50 different articles on each tier, and you have your email tab again. Okay, so that then concludes the walkthrough. You get it via the email, and you can also download it directly from this green button here, your project. We are able to handle most niches. So if you have adult niches, escort agent niches, for the general niches, we will handle ChatGPT and Claude. For general niches, we use alternative engines, which because OpenAI has got a bit of a problem with adult or escort agent or casino or gambling niches. So we have separate models that we use those for. So if we cannot create your project, we refund it. Okay, so that's the walkthrough. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day. Thank you.